While the Blockhash function in Solidity might seem like a good way to generate randomness, it is not secure and should be avoided. Here's why. The Blockhash function returns the hash of a block that is a certain number of blocks in the past. The problem is that the miners have the ability to manipulate this randomness. They can choose which blocks to include in a block and therefore influence the hash of that block. This gives miners the power to predict the outcome of any function that relies on Blockhash, making it unsuitable for generating truly random results. To illustrate, imagine a game where players bet on the outcome of a random number generated using Blockhash. A malicious miner could manipulate the blocks to ensure the outcome favors their bets, leading to unfair gameplay and potentially exploiting the system for profit. Instead of relying on Blockhash, you should explore alternative methods for generating randomness, such as using a verifiable random number generator or incorporating a trusted third-party service that provides secure randomness. These solutions mitigate the risk of manipulation by miners, ensuring a fair and secure experience for all participants.